Hey Avid, you've been looking really tired lately. How's your study going?
Honestly, Bian, it's been tough. I'm overwhelmed with assignments, especially from the web programming test. It's already the fourth week, and I still don't fully understand HTML and CSS.
Or some here? Is struggling to. The lecturer gave us so many texts but explained so little in class. We have to figure things out on our own.
Actually, and to make it worse, my internet connection at home is terrible. Every time I join Zoom, the signal keeps dropping.
Experienced that too. I missed several important expansions because of the poor connection and the lecturer really uploads the class recording.
So, how do you deal with it?
Well, usually ask for notes from friends who had stable internet and I watch YouTube tutorial to catch up. But sometimes I feel insecure when I see others classmates understand everything faster than I do.
Yeah, I feel that way too. It's stressful. And remember during the midterm exam last semester, the server crashed while I was trying to submit my answer.
Oh yes, that happened to me too. I have finished all the question, but when I clicked submit, the system went down luckily. The lecturer gave us extra time.
But if this problem keep happening, it's exhausting. Have you ever thought about quitting or transferring to another university?
Honestly, yes. But then I realized that every campus has its own challenge. Maybe this is just part of the learning process. If we give up, we won't learn how to face real life problems.
That's true. Lastly, I've been trying to create my own study schedule so I can manage my assignment better.
That's a great idea. I should try to. Maybe we can study together. We don't understand something. It's casual. We help each other.
I agree. Let's support each other. I believe we can get as long we keep trying.
I mean, do that. Even though the road is too, we have to keep going. Let's get it together.
Deal, stay strong, Bian.
You too, Hafid. We got this.
Can why? You know, sometimes I also feel their lecturers don't realize how hard it is for us. Some of them just upload slides without explanation.
Yeah, and when we ask question, they get anyone, or just tell us right again. Not everyone learns the same way.
True, I actually wanted to give feedback, but I don't know if the reason we don't really have a platform for students to share the opinions.
That's something BSE should improve. Honestly, a proper feedback system could help both student and lecturer.
Maybe we can bring that up to when our student organization at least one try.
Good idea. By the way, do you work part time too?
Yeah, I work at a mass printing shop in the evening. That's why I sometimes look super tired in class. What about you?
I teach private. I teach private lesson for elementary school kids. It's helped me pay for internet and buy some learning material.
Wow, that great benching work and studying is not easy.
Exactly. But it teaches us going manage time right. Even though it's hard, we gaining more than just academic knowledge.
You're right. Honestly, talking like this makes me feel better. I thought I was the only one struggling.
Me too. Sometimes just sharing with a friend can lift a bit of the burden. We may not solve everything, but at least we don't feel alone.
That's right. We need to stick together. Maybe we can create a small study group for our class like once a week.
Yes, that would be helpful. We can take turns explaining material and help each other before deadline or exam.
Let's start with I'll invite a few more classmates.
Great, let's not just survive. This but grow from its best may be challenge, but I think it's happening us into stronger people.
I can't agree more. Let's support each other until the end semester by semester.
Here, and who knows, someday we look back in this conversation and say we made it.
Yeah, can wait for the day. Thanks for the talk, Ian.
Anytime of it, let's keep going. We are in this together.